If you're looking for an ultra versatile patio set that does great in small spaces and gives you tons of seating options, you're going to want to watch this video till the end because I'll show you how easy it is to set it up out of the box piece by piece and what you're getting into when you purchase a set like this. I know why you're here. You've been looking at this patio furniture set and you're wondering if it's actually worth the space, the money, and the effort to put it together. So instead of talking about specs all day, let me show you what this setup looks like fully assembled and why it's become such a versatile addition to our outdoor space. When this area was empty, it was like wasted space. There wasn't really a comfortable place to sit outside, to have coffee, to relax, or even just to hang out. What caught my attention about this great little patio set was that it wasn't just a fixed set of chairs. It had a modular design that meant I could move pieces around depending on how I wanted to use the space. After getting everything fully assembled and set up, it immediately made my patio feel more inviting and functional. One of the biggest highlights is the modular layout. You get multiple seating options, including 2 super comfy chairs, 2 ottomans, and a glass top coffee table that can be arranged in different configurations. The frame uses powder-coated steel for durability, while the hand-woven polyurethane wicker gives it a clean outdoor furniture look. The cushions are thick and comfortable, and the overall footprint works really well for patios, balconies, decks, and also smaller outdoor areas. One thing I love about this patio set is how easy it is to change the layout. You can create a traditional conversation setup, you can create a little sectional, and you can separate the pieces when more people are around and need a place to sit. The flexibility makes the furniture feel so much more useful than a single fixed seating arrangement. Now, how about comfort? The next thing that people usually ask about is comfort. While the cushions have a nice amount of thickness without feeling overly soft, and they are really comfortable to sit on. So whether you're sitting down with a coffee in the morning or spending time outside in the evening, the seating feels supportive and relaxed. Now, this might be my favorite part. This furniture doesn't just add seating, it helps to define the entire outdoor area. The glass top table creates a natural centerpiece, and once everything is arranged together, the whole space feels more finished and intentional. So what's the verdict on this great little patio set? Well, you should buy it if you want flexible outdoor seating, a patio, balcony, deck, or small backyard centerpiece, if you want furniture that can be rearranged to alleviate seating for more than just 2 people, and if you want a really complete matching outdoor setup. Now, if you're looking for a larger, more oversized sectional, this definitely isn't the right pick for you. When you consider what you're getting, multiple seating pieces, ottomans, cushions, a matching coffee table, this set really delivers a lot of functionality in one package. The ability to arrange everything also adds value because it can adapt as your needs change. Overall, this is one of those outdoor upgrades that can completely change how a space feels. It looks great, offers flexible seating options, and helps to transform an unused area into somewhere you'll actually want to spend your time. Now, like I promised before, if you're curious about what showed up in the boxes and how everything came together, here's a full unboxing and assembly process. Before this patio set looked like what you just saw, everything arrived in one big box. And here's exactly what came in that shipment. Inside, you will find the seating sections, ottomans, cushions, glass tabletop, hardware, and assembly instructions. All of the major components were packaged separately to help protect them during shipping, and everything came out of the box looking pristine and ready to be set up. The wicker arrives already attached to the framed section so that you're not building furniture from scratch. Most of the work involves connecting pieces together and securing the hardware. The assembly process is straightforward and repetitive. My biggest tip here is to loosely install bolts first and wait until everything's lined up before you fully tighten them. I did have to undo a few corners a couple times. As each section comes together, you'll start getting a better idea of what the final layout options are going to look like. Once seating pieces are assembled, cushions go on, and the glass tabletop comes together quite quickly to complete the setup. And that's how it went from one big box to a finished patio setup like you saw at the beginning of this video. This little patio set is absolutely a comfortable game changer on my patio. It has raised my patio ambiance to somewhere that is comfy and cozy and encouraging conversation, and that's why at my house, this one here is a family favorite. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront, where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.